Hi there, Lewis from the Vevox team here, and I just wanted to make a quick video today to show you one of the exciting updates that we have coming in the next release on the 16th of March 2026 regarding our PowerPoint add-in. Now, for those of you that are familiar, if you have a look at what's going on screen at the moment, when you add a polling question to one of your slides that has a lot of text on there, including the title text and option text, the formatting is going to be an issue. You can see that the title text here is going over the screen, and also if you have an option here, so option 4 has too much text, it is going over the bars and it just looks really messy. Now, what we do have coming on the update, as I mentioned on the 16th of March 2026, is now when you add a question in, we have fixed these formatting issues. So you add the exact same question in to your slides and you can see that the question title text will automatically fix with slide, and also those options with your choices will fit with the slide. So now you can see that slide is a lot more clear and the options and the title on there all fits perfectly. Hope you're as excited as I am for this update, and do let me know if you have any further questions. More than happy to address those and to help where I can.